If an electric kettle has a power rating of 2000 watts and its operating voltage is 240 volts, find I, the current, II, resistance of the kettle. If an electric kettle has a power rating of 2000 watts and its operating voltage is 240 volts, find I, the current, II, resistance of the kettle. So I welcome you once again to my channel. So as we have been doing it all the time, today too we are going to be solving this question. Alright, so an electric kettle has a power rating of 2000 watts and its operating voltage is 240 volts. Find I, the current, II, resistance of the kettle. So the solution, that is solution I. We know that the power is equal to what? Voltage times current. Power is equal to what? Voltage times current. That is V times I. So power is what? V times I. Power is equal to what? V times I. I hope you are following it. So by change of subject, I is equal to what? P over V. That is the power over the voltage. So I is equal to what? Power over the voltage. So we have 2000, which is the power, over 240, that is the voltage, okay, operating voltage. So we have the power, which is 2000, over the operating voltage, which is what? 240. So when you divide 2000 by 240, we are going to get what? 8.3 amps. So solution I, the current I, is equal to what? 8.3 amps. I hope you understand. So let's move on with the solution II. That is to calculate for the resistance of the kettle. So solution II. We know that power is equal to what? The voltage square over resistance. Power is equal to the voltage square over resistance. That is P is equal to what? V square over R. Power is equal to what? The voltage square over the resistance. So by change of subject, R, which is the resistance, is equal to what? V square over P, that is the voltage square over the power. So the voltage square is going to give us what? 240 square over 2000. The 2000 is what? The power. So V square over P is equal to what? 240 square over 2000. And when you divide, you're going to get what? 28.8 ohms. So the resistance is equal to what? 28.8 ohms. We can also use another formula, okay? That is V, which is the operating voltage, is equal to what? The current times the resistance. V is equal to what? Current times resistance. V is equal to I times R. We can also use this formula to calculate for the resistance of the kettle, okay? All right, so we have V equals I times R. So by change of subject, R, which is the resistance, is equal to what? The V over I. V is what? The operating voltage, and then I is the current that we just calculated for, okay? That is 8.3 amps. So we have the operating voltage to be 240 over the current, that is 8.3. So when you divide 240 by 8.3, you're going to get what? 28.8 ohms. So when you use the formula P equals V square over R, you get 28.8 ohms. And then when you use the formula V equals I times R, you still get what? 28.8 ohms as the resistance of the kettle. So thank you so much for watching the video, and once again I'm reminding you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.